everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out on Reddit. If you're trying to log out of Reddit on your PC but can't find the option, don't worry, this quick guide will show you exactly where to click and what to do. So whether you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or just want extra privacy, logging out only takes a few seconds once you know where it is. So first, open any browser on your computer like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the Reddit website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you see your homepage with posts and communities, you're good to go. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. So you'll see your profile picture or username there. This is where all your account settings are located. So go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile, a drop down menu will appear. So this menu includes options like your profile, you have settings, and more. So you should see the log out option. Click it once, and Reddit will instantly log you out of your account. Now, once you log out, you'll be redirected to the Reddit homepage, but you won't be signed in anymore. So you won't be able to post, comment, or access your account unless you log back in. Now, if you think your account is logged in on another device, here's what you can do. Go to your account settings and change your password. This will automatically log you out from all devices for security purposes. So here are a few situations where logging out is important when using a public or shared computer. If you're switching between multiple accounts, or if you want to protect your personal information. And that's basically it. That's how you can log out of Reddit on PC. Now you know exactly where to find the option and how to keep your account secure. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.